Okay, so we're back here to our program that we just left, and we're going to now modify the forever loop because we want to put a rainbow in there, and then we want the rainbow to be traveling along the LED strip. So, because we don't want a new rainbow every single time the forever loop goes, we're actually going to add the rainbow to the end of the start loop. So it'll do the startup sequence, and then it'll turn to a rainbow, and then it's going to act on that rainbow. So we'll go back here to the NeoPixel category, and we have show rainbow. That's what we want. We're going to take it down here, and we'll even add another pause right after show. So there's a little bit of a time where it's blank and then it shows the rainbow again. And here it's saying, yeah, go to the strip, which is, it represents the LED strip. And then it says show a rainbow from 1 to 360. And what that is saying is it's actually talking about a color wheel. So a color wheel, it changes hue as you go around the circle from red to orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then back to red. And the way that you can specify the color is by specifying the angle in degrees from straight up. So 0 degrees would be straight up, and then like 90 degrees would be to the right, 180 degrees down, 270 to the left, and then to the top. So this says, because it's strip, we're going to take 200 steps between 1 degree and 360 degrees around the color wheel, and then set that as our LED strip colors. And you can see show is built into this block. So it's going to make that rainbow and automatically send it off to the LED strip. But then we still have a little bit more to do. We need to go to the forever loop and we need to make something happen. So if we go down to the bottom of this first NeoPixel group of functions, you can see it's a little bit blocked here. Well, it's right here at the bottom. It says shift here, that's close, but not quite. We want rotate. This says rotate, even though it's cut off at the bottom. And what that does is it's going to move all of the colors by the number of spots indicated here. So this will just move whatever was in spot 1, we'll move it to spot 2, whatever in spot 2, move it to spot 3, and so on. And that's great. So in forever, every single time it goes to the forever loop, it will move everything by 1, but there's no show in there. So we need another show function. So copy the show, move it in there. And now there is no delay here, but the thing is I actually want the rainbow to move pretty quickly. And so I'm not going to add a delay, at least not yet. You could go ahead and add a delay if you want. And actually you can see over here in the debugger or in the emulator that we have a rainbow and it's moving right along the LED strip. So that was pretty good. I bet that's going to do what we want. So let's go ahead and download that, run with it, and see how it goes. Oh, it has a progress bar, but it looks like it's actually downloaded. So we're gonna go for it. Okay, downloaded. All right, excellent. So now if you actually wanted to move faster, you can't remove a delay. It's already going as fast as possible, but you could have it skip a couple steps at a time instead of just the one. So that's the basics on getting the rainbow to show up.